Yeah. Here we are. We are back at it again. If you like, you can on this ride, you can have it off, yes. I'm gonna keep mine on, just so it covers my face from the water. But this chain lift is no joke. Woo! Hey, unlike Splash Mountain in Disneyland, I like the old school chain lift here on this log flume. They use a conveyor belt now there. And it is a big chain lift. And look at this scenery coming up, everybody. Look at that track. Look at that drop. Look at this. Beautiful. Enchanted Forest in Salem, Oregon, Turner, Oregon. We don't try to get too technical. They say Salem when you call. Woo! Look at that beautiful system. This log ride, they did not cheap out. They got some theming, they got some lumberjacks in here working hard, native Oregonians. The lanterns kind of remind me of Big Thunder Railroad. This is such a well done log flume. I love it. That's how it should be. Woo! The rapids are coming, everybody. This is going from a nice little family ride to muy intense. PG-13. Yeah. Indra's absolutely right. She doesn't really know. Ah! Oh, there's a bear just hanging out. Not a real one. That kind of scared me a little bit. But you know, 2020, a bear on the log flume at
You never know.
yeah, at Enchanted Forest. Yeah. Yeah, no, we always are coming here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. What a nice little little town we passed through on Big Timber. You can grab you a little snack at the Grub Shack. I love that the actual, like, the basin that you ride through is blue. I don't know why, it's just gorgeous, like a swimming pool. Oh, we're coming up on one of our first good drops here. We are getting wet today, folks. Ah! Oh my goodness! That is so much water on my crotch. My phone is soaked. Oh no!
You want me to take it?
Yeah, or in your purse or something. Holy moly! That is wrecked. I am wrecked already. Ray-Bans.
Gone. They're just gone.
Oh, they're all wet and nasty. Hey, it's good. This is what I wanted. This is no joke right here. It's the land of the lost. Give a quick wipe off real quick. Holy moly, that got me good, you guys. And I'm not kidding, that thing rocked my world.
It went on my face.
It was so, like it is in my I got it on my pants. And I have to say, for being a bit of a smaller park, you get your money's worth on the log ride, don't you? Here, this is a long one. Oh yeah. This is where it's gonna make us or break us, folks. This is now not floating no more. We are on all track.
Sorry to lose you.
Oh my goodness. Woo! They got us on a nice picture there. Thank you, sir. Oh no. It got me bad.
It got me the worst time. I'm dying.
How you feeling, everybody?
I'm dying.
That was pretty bad.
Let's go again.
Well, we did it.
Take it away.